So good morning students. So today we will discuss the remaining topics of chapter number 4. Okay. So in last class we have discussed about different types of web browser. Now we will discuss how to use those web browsers. Okay. So here we see the home page, okay, of a web browser. So what it is written, see, when you start the browser we see a web page called home page. Okay. This web page is displayed first of all displayed of all as the browser has been configured in that manner. Okay, so you can configure your this home page, whether you want it to be Google or you want it to be YouTube or anything. Okay, you can configure it in that manner. Okay, while you are surfing the web, we can get back to the home page anytime by clicking on the home button present in the toolbar. So this is the home button. So if you click on this home button, you can again come back to this particular page. Okay, now see, the term home page is also used for main page of a website that opens up when you visit the website. So suppose there is a website of YouTube. Okay, so YouTube also has its own home page. Okay, so whenever we log into or type the address www.youtube.com, then you will see the web page of YouTube. Okay, now see, for example, when you visit the website of Disneyland, the web page is shown in figure 4.6. This is called the home page of the website. So this is the home page of Disneyland. Okay, www.disneyland.com. If you type it here, so this is the home page. Okay, now we will discuss about the components of browser window. Okay, so what are the components of browser window? These are the components. Okay, these are the components of browser window. Okay, this is your menu bar, this is your address bar, this is your title bar, and this is your search engine Google. Okay, and here we want to type a query means what you want to search in Google. Okay, it is known as query. Then there is your scroll bar and there is your status bar. Okay, it is shown in figure 4.4, and this particular thing is your web browser. Okay, now we will discuss about the different parts. Okay, what are the different parts here? See, first of all we will discuss about address bar. So what is a address bar? We type the address URL of the website you want to visit in the address bar and then press enter. So this is your address bar. Okay, so suppose you want to go to google.com, you will type here, see, google.com. Okay, so if you when you will click on enter, then this page will appear. So this is the address bar. Address bar means you have to type the address of the web page. Okay, suppose google.com, youtube.com, you will type it over here. Okay, understood? Now see, address bar and then press enter. For example, to visit Google website, we type google.com or google.co.in. Okay, and press enter. So here we will type google.com or google.co.in and we will press enter. Okay, and press enter. The address bar shows a small triangle at its extreme right, which when click shows a list of recently visited website. Okay, so this is the address bar, and there is a small triangle. Okay, you see, if you can see, there is a small triangle now over here on the left hand side. So this shows your website history. Okay, so this is the history that it is shown here. So it is what it is written over here. The address bar shows a small triangle at its extreme right. When click shows a list of recently visited website. Okay, to revisit a site, we just click on the exit on the link. So to revisit another site, see website gallery. So you will click on this and you can go back to another website that you have already typed it over here. Okay, then say there are some miscellaneous buttons. So suppose this is your back button and forward button. So if you click on this forward button, it will take you to the next page, and if you click on this back button, it will take you to the previous page. Okay, so this was all about figure 4.5. Okay, so there is another use of address bar. So address bar is another use. What is the use? While surfing the net, if you wish to know where we are, so when you are surfing the net and you want to know where you are, means on which web page you are, that is on which web page we are. Okay, so which web page you are on, you can look at the address bar which shows the current address. So here the address bar, if you want to look at which web page on you are browsing, so you will see that this is cbsc.nica.in. so this is the current web page that you are browsing. Okay, or google.co.in. so address bar, we type the address here. So here we type the address. Okay, current address. In Internet Explorer we call it an address bar, while in Firefox we call it location bar. So Internet Explorer has a different name and Firefox has a what different name. Okay, so there are different names attached to the particular according to the particular web browser. Okay, now we come across the status bar. Okay, so what is the status bar? So status bar at the bottom of Internet Explorer. So this is the bottom of Internet Explorer. Here lies your status bar. Okay, there is a vertical scroll bar present at the right of the web page that let us scroll up and down. So the this what is the scroll bar lets you scroll the web page. Okay, suppose you want to go top and come down. Okay, so look at my mouse pointer this. So if you scroll it like this, it will take you above, and if you scroll down, it will take you below. Okay, so this is the scroll bar. Okay, at the bottom of the Explorer window there is a gray bar. This is the status bar where we are notified about how much longer it will take for our web page to download. Okay, to download. So suppose if you want to download a file, it will show it over here. Okay, once the page has finished downloading, the status bar indicates done. Okay, so when the downloading is finished over here, you can earlier it was over here, and if you want to download it now on today's web browser, the download will show over here on the top. Okay, so this was all about your address bar, status bar, and what this menu bar, title bar and scroll bar. We have explained this in our today's class. Okay, so students, go through the video, and after watching the video, write your name in the class group. Okay, in our next class we will be discussing the remaining topics of this chapter. Okay, thank you.